Good morning guys, we've made our way down to Whistler Village today and I'm pretty excited because we're going up to the top of these mountains and we're doing a thing called peak to peak where there's a gondola that goes between like two peaks right at the top. Apparently we might even be above the clouds, so it's going to be pretty epic. See that lake down there, just going behind the trees? That is where we were canoeing yesterday. I just got a cheeky little coffee. We're walking over to the next chairlift. People are skiing up here, how crazy is that? It's July and people are skiing. Heading into the clouds. It's weird being on a ski lift in the snow without going snowboarding or skiing.
Yeah, it is a bit strange, hey?
It's so quiet.
Yeah, right. It's crazy that we have no idea where we're going.
We're literally going into the clouds. This feels kind of like magical, like we're going to like some kind of sky city.
Yeah.
Guys, look at these gloves. They're so baggy that me and Raya can both fit our hands in them. Because Raya hasn't got any gloves. But you can share mine.
Thank you. And we're holding hands.
Yeah.
Louis got to see if he's tall enough to get on. Oh no, you're not. You can't get back on the lift.
I'm too short. Always my problem. How are these tiny children getting on? They're supposed to be as big as the bear. You are not as big as the bear. So guys, the last post that was supporting us was all the way over that side of the mountain, and then we're just about to hit this one. Look at that, almost 3 miles apart. Raya, what have you found?
It's a marmot. Look how cute.
Apparently those are the animals that, have you seen that viral video where that animal's like screaming? That's him. So guys, Bradley from the other day is on his way to meet us at a heliport now. I've jumped back in the Wonderbug. It feels super nice because I haven't been in here for a couple of days. It's nice to be back in the Wonderbug, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's one of those days where I can't dress properly. It's like boiling hot right now, sunny, but we're about to head up to the top of a mountain again, hopefully to go into a glacier and into like an ice cave. So it's gonna be freezing up there, so we're trying to correctly dress, but it's difficult. Right, we're gonna whiz over now. I'm really hoping Bradley brought his dog. What's his dog's name again?
I don't know, we never met him.
He's got a cool dog. We're here. I think I can see him. Guys, I think this is Bradley arriving. Hey!
How are you?
How you doing?
How are you flying that 130?
Guys, this is Bentley. Hey, Bentley! Hey, Bentley! Raya. Bentley is awesome.
It's a terrible life.
Okay, this is Bentley's harness. You can just pick him up. There you go.
It's his favorite thing in the world, like absolutely.
He's ready. Look at him. He's just ready. You ready?
You good?
That is great.
You good?
He's just ready. He knows what's about to happen.
Oh yeah, and he leaves them on until we land. As soon as we power down, he shakes them off.
Wow.
Ready, buddy? Good boy. Sit. Hey, Bentley, you sit.
Can he hear you? Seeing all these rivers come from the glacier, like the runoff.
Yeah, and you can just see how much they've receded, you know.
So this is the start of the glacier here, is it?
Yeah. Good updraft here.
Check this out, guys. Glacier. And then it's all melting and just running down the valley. This Pemberton Music Festival happens every year.
This is the, I believe, the third year for this iteration of the Music Fest, and yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, what a location! So that's the main stage.
That's one of the two main stages. So they alternate back and forth between the two main stages.
Wow, what an epic backdrop!
Right, that's Mount Curry. So that's, I think, 8,500 feet, somewhere around there. So this is my buddy's cabin down here. So he runs like the official after party.
I love your life, it's so cool. Just been able to cruise around in a helicopter for fun.
Let's go say hi.
Let's go and visit your mates.
Say hi to Jay, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, guys, that was awesome. Right, we're gonna go and meet Bradley's friend. Hey, Louis.
Jay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Raya, nice to meet you.
This is where the party zone is. So this is the dance floor.
There's a hot tub.
Oh yeah. Hot tub. Hey,
Oh yeah.
how are you?
Right, we've just been chatting to Jay. He's setting up this VIP area for this music festival, Pemberton Music Festival, which we aren't around for this year. If you've watched any of Ben or Steve's videos from like 2 years ago, you would have seen they came here. But I'm super tempted to come next year now, hearing all about it. Sounds incredible. Are you ready to jump back in, Bentley?
Okay, here we go. Put you in. Oh. Let's get you all suited for adventure. Oh. Oh. Ready? Clean up slowly. And up we go.
So tell us about this place you're taking us now.
Joffrey Lake. It's a provincial park, and the color of the water is going to blow your mind. Look at the color of this lake down here too. See the two lakes, the two rivers mix. The glacier slides down the mountain. It's grinding against the rock, and it's grinding rocks against rock, and it turns into what's glacial flour. It's like talcum powder, and it's super fine, and it stays aerated or stays mixed in the water.
That's what gives that real turquoise
That's
blue.
the turquoise, and then wait till you see it, because you'll see Joffrey is a pure glacial lake. So this has kind of been mixed with other waters now, and it's kind of turning a different color of green. But when you get to Joffrey, you're gonna lose your mind.
close up to the glacier and being able to look down into these cracks.
Yeah,
is just,
right.
It's just insane. One of the most beautiful, like, nature things I've ever seen.
Boom! Yes!
Yeah.
I'm killing it!
Yeah, you're killing it.
I'm like 6 for 6 now, right?
Right, Bradley and Alicia are heading off.
And Bentley,
And Bentley,
my little suitcase.
is he going to get to sit in the front? I love that. I love that handle.
Yeah, it's adventure dog.
He just looks like the boss. Oh, Bradley's such a legend, isn't he?
So badass. Do you want to just, like, I was thinking of my helicopter, we'll just go for a ride around the most beautiful place you've ever been. Casual.
I honestly think that is the most beautiful place I've ever been.
Yeah.
Ever.
I don't think I've ever seen a glacier before.
I know.
That was insane. And like, oh my gosh, it was unreal.
Are you glad you came?
Yeah, very glad I came.
Right, we're going to crash out. It's been another amazing day in Whistler. It was so good to see Bradley again and finally meet Mr. Bentley. And yeah, just an unreal helicopter ride. Tomorrow morning we are going on a bear tour, like I was saying earlier. I'm hoping we get to see a bear, finally. And then we are driving the Wonderbug back down to Seattle. Right, catch you in the morning. Peace out. Enjoy life. Live the adventure. Boom.